Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to disable background permissions in Windows 11. So if you have some apps that you want to disable background permissions for, or you want to disable all the permissions for all the apps, I will show you how to do that exactly. So the first thing that you need to do is to right click on the start menu and then open the settings. After that you need to go to the apps section from here and then you need to go to installed apps. So now you need to actually go to the app that you want to disable the permissions for, like Copilot, and you can click on the three dots from here. Then you need to click on Advanced Options. From here you will see the Background App Permissions section. You need to click on it and click on Never. And now Copilot won't have the permission to run on the background. So the next solution that we can actually do to disable all the background apps is to open the start menu and search for JP Edit. As you from here you will find the Edit Group Policy. You can just click on it. So after that this menu will appear. All you need to do is to click on Local Computer Policy, then Administrative Templates. After that you need to go to Windows Components, and then from here you need to click on App Privacy. After that you need to find Let Windows Apps Run in the Background, and you need to double click it. This menu will open. You need to click on Enable, and after that on the default for all apps you need to click on Force Deny. So that's it. That's actually how you disable apps running in the background on your PC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.